What's up, Lollipop? My name is Joe, and today's product is very near and dear to my heart. It's something unique, something very special, something that is awesome. And I don't usually get this in my hand or anything like this in my hand, and I'm so happy that I can share this with you guys. I think this is an amazing gift, decoration, and all in all, just really, really cool. And I'm obviously talking about the iPhone 4S Gridstudio frame. Wow. Wow. This is an iPhone 4S. And as you can see, it's displayed beautifully in a frame and it's taken apart piece by piece, from the front camera to the front screen, to the volume rockers, to the SIM card holder, to the mute switch, power button, earpiece, flex cable, speakers, vibration motor, main board, rear camera, and headphone socket, and the battery, and the back screen or back glass. It's beautiful. You guys can check this out. You guys can actually order from this company. They make 2 or 3 kind of phones at the moment, and they send it over to you in a frame like this. It's truly magnificent. It's truly a unique piece of art that I really like. You have the whole body of the phone in the middle. You have the iPhone 4S logo, and the iPhone 4S planted the seeds of what we now consider common knowledge. The smartphone really isn't just a phone. And then you have a copy of Steve Jobs' signature, and he says you can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backwards. So you have to trust the dots will somehow connect in the future. I love technology and I love everything about technology, and I am actually a collector of old iPhones. I've got the 4S, the 5, the 3G, the 3GS. I don't have a 2G, sadly, but I would love to have a 2G opened up like this. So if you guys want this product, if you guys need this product as a part of your decoration, then go no further than to Gridstudio. Thank you very much, Gridstudio, for sending this over. I think it's beautiful and I'm amazed and I love every part of it. I love that this is basically a brand new phone. It looks brand new, especially the screen and the back glass, the battery. It's like a new phone dissected into small parts. It's just gorgeous. I love it. It's very minimalistic. You can change the color of the frame if you want a wooden frame or if you want a black frame. I truly urge you guys to check this product out because I think it's a really cool piece of decoration in your office, in your living room, wherever you want to showcase your love of technology. For God's sake, this is cool. And they sent it over. As you can see, my logo's down there. And Gridstudio's logo's over there. They even say the size, the inches of every element on here. It's very sturdy, so they're not going to fall off, and it came in a very protective case. So guys, Gridstudio iPhone 4S, I think there's BlackBerry, I think there's other kind of phones. Go check it out and treat yourself to something beautiful. Guys, thank you very much for watching. If you don't like iPhone 4S, don't forget there's an iPhone 12 Pro Max giveaway coming soon to this channel. So subscribe, notification bell. Pay attention because the video is going to come out in January. So be there, be present, and you can win an iPhone 12 Pro Max. Thank you very much for watching. Until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.